In terms of trends, we can observe color being one of the very, very strong identity.
This year I never saw so many variation of one single watch declined in many different colors. So it means happy life, make your life colorful, joyful. That's the spirit in the watch industry actually.
Sustainability is a topic that roams around the fair. Any booth you go to, any brand you go to, there are some elements of sustainability. Brands are now using a lot more recycled material, and also sustainability also means responsibility in the society. Something like the RJC, Responsible Jewelry Council, something like the Fairmind Gold. Sustainability, responsibility, these are the topics that must be faced head-on to attract the new consumer group.
Some trends we have appears already in new creations for ladies' watches which tells a story. That's more and more the phenomena today.